Today.
Hindi pa. Going there.
Of course.
Pero wala kayong like chicken. Tapos mas pahingin na lang ako ng ano, mga saucer. Yun na lang. Sige, isang ganun.
Is it yummy?
May rice din yun eh.
What are you reading?
Isang upuan lang yung dim sum sa inyo.
Wow. Wala pa ito.
Today you taste it.
Cute. Why do you like that? Huh? One, two, three. It's raining. It's raining. Maligyas pa di kasi nga ni? For you, for real.
Pagka maluma.
Ay, yeah.
Hi, pretty girl.
Hi guys! We just finished eating. I'm so full, hindi naman halata. We're going to the mall after this because gonna buy school stuff ni Aa because Aa is going to school tomorrow. Diba? I'm going to school tomorrow na.
Babakan. Wait lang po.
May habol and may
Dito na lang.
ulan.
Pero, lilipat mo yun dun.
Lahat to?
Guys,
Wow, wow.
look. So pangit.
What? Today was pangit.
The store. Hi guys. It's 2:23 a.m. and I'm still not sleepy. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to clean my room. Someone need to focus from the cabinets. I'm going to clean the cabinets.
Today can I see Today
Cancel, Hazel Kaya. Gipalit akong dream na kuan, mouse. Dili na ko labay. Shoo!
Oo, eh. Bye-bye. Paki. I'm so.
help me, mommy.
I miss vlogging here. Say hi to my vlog. Ano yun ang nakabong? Sa akin yung 26.
Sa akin.
Regalo sa akin ni Hope. Wala kayong pake. Di kayo mahal ni Hope. Ako mahal niya. Bangs daw. Bangs tayo. Sa The Bangs. Orny mo. Umaga ka.
Hi guys, so I'm here sa mall and I'm currently waiting for my friend. I'm here sa Dunkin'. Unfortunately, I can't buy the chocolate BTM. I only want 3, but you have to buy 10 pieces para makuha siya, and it's too many. So I bought something else instead. For a self-date. Hi mga oat. Mga oat.
Hi mga pokpok.
Hi mga
Bingi ka,
oat.
ikaw. Pipe, tahimik eh.
Ikaw yung wala kamay nat?
Nangino pa lang ako.
First subject done.
Hindi pepe, pipe.
Dami namang nakabangs na kaklase ko.
How many hours?
For 3 hours! Like, what the hell is this, Tagalog? Hey guys, it's so dark na.
I don't think this gonna be...
I don't think this is so, this is so very college type of girl. Like, what? See you tomorrow. What? Are we going to, walk in? But for real, she is so pretty.
Oh, what the fuck?
So cold. It's so cold. Uy,
Bali.
typo. Delete, undo. Ang ina, delete. Kain ba tayo? Long gastos nyo naman. Bawal na kayo? Ay, wow! Feelings.
pera? Inasis kasi namin kanina.
Guys, this is, ay, layate. Wow! STI, good evening, good night. I love you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Sino yan?
Hindi ko kilala, bye-bye po.
Bye.
Okay, alap! Let's go sa Tapsilugan. Hey, close na!
Saan ba?
Close na! Yan o!
Lockdown.
Ay, loob pala. Sa loob ng... Yun nga lang o. Close na. 7-Eleven na lang, boy. Yan lang kasi. Guys, uuwi na kami kasi wala kami nakita pagkain.
Uy, sila lang. 7-Eleven. Tara.
Mahal kasi.
Try lang natin, baka may magustuhan kayo. At teka,
Okay, going to 7-Eleven. Tapat ng school namin. Kasi kami ay kakain. Ito. Ayun, may thick avocado. But I'm looking for... Ayun, no, may ganun, no. ko bibili ko. I think uuwi na tayo. Ano? Cool. Kaya ayoko ng mga ganyan nakakasakit sa dyan. And so, I'm here sa toothbrush because I'm here to tell you guys that uy, magkano to? Mas maganda to ah. Dental Plus. Ilan? Magkano to? Magkano ba to? Helly? Clean Star. Dental Plus. 30. Ito siguro yun. 50 pesos, 99. Nice. May ganyan sa TikTok eh. Anyway, I'm here to tell you guys that last time, ganito na yung toothbrush ko ngayon. Kasi, last time, ganito siya. I don't know what happened. In the middle of the night, like 2 a.m. in the morning, I went down the CR to brush my teeth. And then, when I checked, nawawala yung toothbrush ko. Tapos, pagkalingon ko, hinahanap ko everywhere. Like, ba't naman yun mawawala, di ba? Toothbrush ko man yun. Wala namang ibang gumagamit nun. Nakita ko, nasa ilim ng bowl. Gago.
Mukha nalaglag.
Nalaglag yung toothbrush ko.
Tutok-tutok na lang tayo. Wala ka din.
Guys, wala. Going out. Wala kaming nahanap. We're going... Diyan daw. Ano yan? Ewan ko. Tara.
Na nga yung ibig mga pumupunta nagpag-disiplina. Kung nasan na?
Wala, gago. Nawala.
Kaya.
Tay, let's go. Tay, kuya.
Tay ba to?
Ano mo kaming hotdog? Apat kami. Tatlong upuan ha. Apat na tao. Sige.
Ay, hindi ka nahirapan ako. Kalahating bad ko na lang.
Kalahating quit.
Uy, mag-vibration ka.
Oh, ayan na.
Hey, don't speak Tagalog. We don't know how much is transportation fee? Be quiet. This is a public place. Show what the fuck.
I love you, ma'am, pero ayoko ng
Excited
subject.
pa naman ako sabihin yung mga
Meron ba busa
sinulat ko
bukas?
doon.
Ako din eh. Excited ako
Sabihin na lang natin sa vlog.
Eto, ang ano ko, ang expect. Kasi I was so starstruck. Honestly, I'm so struck.
Guys, we're here.
So tired.
Wait, gago. Ganito ba ibig sabihin ng night walk? Diba?
Mama eh.
Bye guys! Bye Lede! Diyan sa may, ay dito na lang pala talaga. Bye bye! Ingat ikaw! Hinahanap ko pa rin yung ano, nasa Pure Gold lang yan eh.